Hi guys, I hope you're having an awesome day today. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I cannot wait to see what's in my mystery box here. This is the Jeffree Cosmetics Halloween mystery box. This is the premium box that costs $65 and I am so excited. So if you guys want to see what I got in my box, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the $65 box. I believe this is the smallest one. I can never get myself to get one of the huge ones. Maybe one day I will, but I just feel like I don't need it. And yeah, let's get into this box. I got the summer one a few months back. Was it the summer one? I got the last one, the last mystery box, and I loved it, and I just couldn't contain myself with Halloween. We're gonna get right into the palette because that's what I'm mostly excited for. This is the Weirdo Palette. I love the way that Jeffree Cosmetics, like the way they package everything. It's so nice. I feel like they really take care of the product so that they don't get to you broken. So I always actually feel bad like breaking. Like you see the paper here is like Halloween theme. So I think it looks so pretty. I always feel bad breaking it, but I have to because I need to get to the palette. I think it's a perfect time to create this sort of a palette. I watched Jeffree Star's like reveal video for the entire collection. So I'm very hyped about this. Look how pretty that is. You've probably seen this everywhere if you're into Jeffree Cosmetics products. I love the packaging, how these letters are raised here. Wow. The palette is actually way more beautiful in person than it is online. Like the pictures and the videos do not do it justice. I love these small palettes because I feel like they're so travel friendly. Let me give you actually a close-up of the palette first. You get a really cool mirror. I love mirrors in my palettes. The color story is very unique, very smoky, and with a touch of red, which I think is perfect for October, you know, Halloween season. But anyway, I love these kinds of palettes that are this size because I feel like they're so travel friendly and just easy to carry with you. I have a couple of his like very bulky palettes, which I love, but they're very hard to store, or like I would never like travel with them. But this I can see myself traveling with. I love the smoky vibes going on with the whole burgundy theme. I might do a tutorial with this soon, so yeah, stay tuned for that. I might go ahead and do something smoky. It's so pretty. Even after Halloween, for like the holiday season, smoky eyes, very cool. I cannot wait to use that. I love that. Okay, so next, that was the only product that I actually knew was gonna be in my box. Everything else is a surprise. So let's see. Oh my god, I see one of the highlighters. I actually like all his products. I really enjoy like watching his collections being revealed, but I don't own a lot from him. I do own mostly palettes just because I feel like I try not to spend too much money on makeup, but this, I'm so happy to get it. It's the Supreme Frost Highlighting Powder in Hypothermia. Packaging is so pretty. Like I know a lot of people collect it, like all the products from his brand, so I just cannot afford some of those products. So it's so nice when I get a mystery box to get products that I don't own yet. A lot of people own everything, I don't. So all this stuff is going to be useful in my collection. Packaging again, beautiful, beautiful packaging. Do you see that? And this shade is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I hope the camera's doing it justice. This is really beautiful and like holographic. Let me swatch this. I didn't swatch the palette because I plan on like reviewing it, but this is so pretty. It has some hints of like pink and purple, but still very icy, which is my kind of highlighter. Oh, and that almost looks like wet. I love a blinding highlight, so I cannot wait to use this and to even like display it. It's so beautiful. Next, oh my gosh, I see, what do I go with next? I see a gloss. This is the Supreme Gloss. Let's see. This is the Opulent Shine Full Pigment Lip Gloss. Feel the Fantasy Luxurious Drip. The packaging again, really, really pretty packaging. I love when brands take their time with packaging. Wow, this is so unique. Look at that. How beautiful is that? This is such a unique gloss because it's like red, but I have to swatch this actually because I feel like on camera I see some hints of like pink, but it looks red to me here. It smells lovely, by the way. Oh, it's so pigmented. Look at how pigmented that is. This is like a very beautiful, very pigmented red gloss, which I don't own anything like this at all, and this just made the entire box. The palette already did, like it was worth the $65, but this gloss, I don't own anything that's like a red gloss that's this pigmented, and I am going to use that very soon. I love that. That's a very, very like cool product to get in this box. Okay, Next, I see a lip liner, I think. This is the Velour lip liner in Scorpio. Ooh. And I love this packaging again. It's just out of this world. So beautiful. Look at that top. And it looks like it's going to be sort of a mauve-y, grayish, if that makes sense. That's really pretty. So it looks almost like a lavender gray lip liner. That is so unique, and I don't want anything like that again. So far everything I'm getting is so unique to my collection that I will get use out of it, because I don't own anything like these kinds of products, at least the shades, you know. So I love that. And I see another lip product and I want to see like if they match. This is the Velvet Trap lipstick, and I have the shade Grave Digger, which sounds like might probably be something grayish. So oh my gosh, so pretty. This is my first of these kinds of lipsticks, and I love it. I always want to like buy 10 of them, but wow. Yeah, I feel like these two, they did a great job picking these items for me, because these two will go perfectly together. Let me swatch it. They smell amazing, by the way. So this here is the lipstick, and you see the liner over here, the lip liner. I think they will go so beautifully together. So this is like a gray color. I think it's so perfect for Halloween. I don't own any color like this, so it's so unique and I love it. Just the packaging alone to display is amazing. But this combo of the liner and the lipstick I love, and I don't own it. I have so many like nude and pink and red lipsticks, so I will get use out of that. I really like that. Okay, I think there's one more product in here. Oh, this is a lip scrub. Velour lip scrub in Witch's Brew. I wonder if this is like an exclusive new item. Like, I know a lot of his products, but I'm not like, I don't know every single item in there, but it seems like it's Halloween themed, so I will think it's new. Wow, this is black actually, so the packaging, perfect for Halloween, for like a Halloween mystery box. You have the red on top, and let's smell it. The last one I got was like a very tropical scent, which smells amazing and I love it. Wow, what's that smell? That's the color, very green. I feel like I know this smell. Oh my gosh, I know what it is. It smells like anise seed. If you guys know, it's like star anise. Some of the seeds are like in a star, but they also have like very small seeds. I use anise for tea. I use anise, like I boil it with other herbs to get really like a really good tea. My family, we love tea, and that smells just like it, and it smells heavenly. Like, I'm telling you, smells heavenly. Like, I could eat it. There's also like some Dominican candies. I'm from the Dominican Republic, in case you didn't know. There's some Dominican candies that are like anise flavored candy that smell exactly like this. If you're Dominican and you know what I'm talking about, let me know. It's like a star, no, it's like an anise flavor candy, and I know every time I go to Dominican Republic I get that candy and I love it. It's like a little candy, like a hard candy. Smells incredible, and I'm gonna use that. I almost want to eat it, but I really don't want to. I don't know. I'll save it for a lip scrub. Wow, so that was the last product. I see a little card here that says that Jeffree Star Skin is coming. That's really interesting. He's really expanding his whole line. So overall, I got the Velour lip scrub that smells like anise, very lovely. Velvet Trap lipstick, a lip liner, this beautiful red gloss, a Supreme Frost highlighter, and the brand new Weirdo palette. And guys, I am so pleased. I feel like $65 for all this is a steal. Everything is totally worth the $65 and more, and I'm so glad that I was able to get one of these boxes. But yeah, that was the last product, and I'm very happy. Let me know in the comments, did you guys get any of the Halloween mystery boxes? How do you feel about them if you did? Why didn't you get them? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to this part, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye. Mwah.